Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. If you need additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. For ease of handling the caliper during the removal process, you may want to loosen the wheel speed sensor attached to the wheel carrier. Begin by using a 10mm socket and remove the screw holding the electrical cable red arrow. Remove the 5mm hex screw red arrow holding the wheel speed sensor and pull it up and out of the wheel carrier. You will need to disconnect the wear sensor from the electrical line. To access this electrical connector, red arrow, rotate the electrical connector and slide it out of the mount. Release the electrical connector by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating to release the clip, red arrow. With the wear sensor disconnected and the wires loosened, remove the two T55 torque caliper mounting bolts, red arrows. Always replace these bolts. They are considered single-use only. Once the caliper can be removed from the rotor, you will need to handle it carefully as to not stress or damage the brake line. Never let the caliper hang by the brake line. If the brake line snaps or starts to bleed, you will need to replace the line and bleed the system. If you are leaving it connected to the line and just installing new rotors, you must support the weight of the caliper with a rope or hanger. You can now remove the two locating screws, red arrows, holding the rotor to the flange. There is a good chance these screws will be stuck if this is the first time they are being removed. Use an impact screwdriver to help you break them loose. Once you remove the screws, use care as the rotor is now free. The rotors are extremely heavy and you do not want to drop them. Depending on the age of the rotor and where you live, you might need to tap the bell of the rotor or use a screwdriver in the cooling slots on the edge to break the rotor free. With the rotor removed, make sure to clean the flange to give you a clean and flat mounting surface. Installation is the reverse of removal. Do not get any grease or dirt onto the new rotor. New pads and rotors need to be bedded in. Please make sure to bed in your pads and or rotors according to the instructions from the manufacturer of the parts you purchased. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.